Well, let me step back here. One of the biggest problems about mobile testing is people always say mobile testing, but there are 4 different types of mobile testing. And I get so many people saying, mobile testing, you've got to automate, you've got to do this, you've got to do that. But each one, even performance testing, if they talk about performance testing for the mobile, and Scott and I have gone back at it a few times, the problem is that when somebody's referring to performance testing, what they're referring to is usually, oh boy, see what I mean? It gets complicated. Okay, let's go back. 4 types of testing: mobile website, mobile web app, mobile hybrid app, and mobile native app. So you have to have a test strategy for each type. And most people don't. They just combine it all into one. And when they talk about it, when they're tweeting about it, when they're just talking to their manager, or the other way around, the manager's talking to the tester, they're not defining exactly what they're trying to test to plan out testing. Maybe even not to plan out I had a question the other day about developing an app, and they didn't know which kind of an app to develop. They knew they wanted mobile. The problem is that you got to jump into the marketing side of things. What makes sense for your company, and what kind of an industry is it? A restaurant mobile app, I wouldn't necessarily do native. To save money, I would do mobile web app. People just want information. They don't necessarily want to interact with it. Candy Crush, that's something that you want people to see have the brand right on your phone, and you want people to interact with it and see all the different commercials. That's a native app, or it could be a hybrid app depending upon the architecture. But that's one thing I talk about with software testers who are trying to jump into this world. You've got to learn your architecture.